Not Only Carrots cooking show.
Kids Edition!
I'm Tamar.
I'm Eden.
And today we're doing a lunchbox special. Delicious vegan burgers. Today I'll be making a nut burger.
Today I'll be making a vegan chicken burger.
Let's get started. Step 1 is to preheat your sandwich maker.
Step 2, put the patty in the sandwich maker. Try not to burn yourself.
Now while we wait for the burgers to cook, we will put some mayonnaise on my burger.
And mine.
Just a tiny bit. And then spread it on one piece of bread.
Try not to mess it up.
This mayonnaise is vegan mayonnaise and it's the brand Celebrate Health.
This is Frey's brand, 99% fat-free. Like we said before, just spread it.
Now I'm going to put some sweet mustard pickles on my burger.
Now I'm going to take the burgers out. Be careful, just use a flipper. We accidentally burnt them a bit. And I'll just hop up and turn it off.
Next, you need to put some tomato sauce on your patties.
Next, I will put tomato on mine.
I will next put some bio cheese on. You can use some other vegan cheeses.
And I will put the lettuce. And then, ta-da! I finished my burger now. If you really like this or the other one, you can put extra.
Next, I will put 2 pieces of tomato on mine. And then you put 4 pieces of cucumber on. And then next I'll put some beetroot that's pickled. It's a little bit different to American beetroot, but it's really delicious. Next, I'll put on some lettuce. And there you have it. I've finished my burger.
As you can see, it's really easy to make a healthy vegan lunch.
I hope you enjoyed our Kids Edition Lunchbox special. And as always, please like, subscribe and share it with a friend.